we had a beautiful sail past the coastline of Martinique on our way to St. Lucia. One of my favorite things about sailing is sailing into the sunset or the sunrise. The bow is such a wonderful place for me to clear my head and think about life. And there goes Martinique. We're not stopping, we're headed straight to St. Lucia. Hey, fish! See a tuna! See a tuna! It's a baby something! There he is! Little guy! Perfect. Oh no! Bye! Bye! Oh, bye friends!
What are you making, Obs?
Sausage.
Her favorite thing to make.
Oh, the only time I've ever gotten sick underway, I was making sausage.
Sausage and onions?
Yeah.
That's yummy. We are passing by Martinique, and it's the largest island ever. Maybe it just feels like that because we're motoring.
How you doing, girls?
Good.
How many more hours do we have left?
7.
No. We don't have 7 hours left. How many more hours do we have left? 5.
5 hours.
5. How does that make you feel?
We can do that. We can do 5 more.
The wind kept changing as we passed the island of Martinique, which meant that we had to continuously trim the sails.
Where the road to love can be kind of rough. It's been a rocky ride. You swore we could find heaven someday. Pardon me, but if I'm not mistaken, heaven is the other way. Well, I was believing my life might be tough without you right by my side. I'm beside myself most every day. Pardon me, but if I'm not mistaken, heaven is the other way. We set our sights on paradise, now we're rolling down here quick. The devil's smiling on every mile, making sure the road is slick. The more I try, the less you listen, that really drags me down.
With only 45 nautical miles left to go to St. Lucia, we were well on our way.
But if I'm not mistaken, heaven is the other way. Away we go!
We are in St. Lucia, we have landed, and we are at the dock, and we are now cooking dinner. Yeah.
Ooh, chicken.
We made some new friends, and we're about to eat, and then I think we're gonna go to the local establishments.
The helm of the dinghy clips the red ignition cord around his or her wrist.
I would like him to announce when we're going to die.
Sunrise tomorrow, 06:32.
So we are in Rodney Bay this morning, and we are headed to get the Apple computer fixed. We hope this is the best place to do it, fortunately, so we wound up in the right area to not have to take a cab somewhere. So that's awesome. We're gonna walk over to the office here at the marina, and they have a little shop to fix the laptop, we hope, so I can get videos out again. It's been a while. Half the crew.
Let's go.
Right.
Ready?
Off we go. So Selling fruit boat to boat. What are your symptoms, Alice?
Pain behind the eyes, red eyes, rash, headache, fever, and muscle pain.
You have Zika?
Or maybe I'm hungover. Or I have Zika. In early pregnancy, Zika infection may be associated with babies born with tiny heads.
Oh, we can have like a little sloth living in the bilge.
It'd be easier to push it out. I don't know what
Going
it's
to the mall.
We're gonna take a little dinghy trip from the marina and go to the mall. Everything in St. Lucia is like actually really accessible by dinghy, which is really nice to know.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Clean the boat. I'm feeling like he's wanting to get away from us. It's heartbreaking. I don't know why with this gaggle of women.
We're so cute.
Anyway.
I think we might be more disgusting than a group of frat boys.
This is what the dinghy dock looks like if you're looking for it. Hey, we're at the mall.
Civilization.
Whoa, I want that one.
Let's see. Oh, I like it. Katie as a short, dark-haired girl. Okay, today's cleaning day, girls. Woo! All right.
We're pretty excited for cleaning.
Yeah.
Again, back my plate again. Y'all cats know we always play to win. GNG to the stars, son. Haters took this shit too far, son. So that's all for you. I'm rapping out your whole.
How'd we do, ladies?
Not too shabby.
Very good. How we do, Cap?
Good. Good effort.
Oh, burn. No, good effort.
Next time we poop
That
on the
was the
deck at
best
the end.
butt washing experience we've had, actually.
Did you get a boner?
No.
Then
Next
we failed.
time. Pigeon Island. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be fun.
It's not an island.
It's not?
You don't know about it.
Make it.
Come and help these ladies off. Here, gentlemen. I like you, ladies. I like ladies.
So I just zoomed in on her butt by accident. It looked intentional. The little, yeah, spongies.
Thanks, man.
We're gonna go hike Pigeon Point or whatever it's called. Do you think we should?
How long does it take?
Yeah, you should have an adventure.
Yeah. Then we're gonna come back and drink some beers, Phil. Okay?
We'll be waiting.
Perfect.
Alright.
Bye.
Yeah.
It's right there. It's called Tranquility Point. Fancy pants.
Awesome. How you enjoying the island?
Oh, loving it.
These are special. They're more expensive. They're deeper.
Going in the hole? What do you think's in there? Whoa. Sure, some people do.
Yeah, it smells like this.
Does it? You're in jail now.
That's what she said.
Yeah, Katie, go get that dollar that's down there that someone laid the little stick over it.
Gum on a stick.
Like a trap.
Do some gum.
Oh, we do have gum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it worth the dollar? That's
Is it a whole dollar?
I know, it's a half a dollar for sure.
I think as long as you put 51 cents.
Could have been water, or unless they really used it in
It is Rodney Bay. This part. Till the next part. We should have hiked that volcano. The day that we went, we were like, oh, this is no problem. We went and hiked that stupid volcano. We were not prepared.
Oh, and it says a purgative and a laxative. Perfect.
Why is this your favorite tree?
Because it's called a golden shower.
And when you die, we're going to plant one over your dead body.
And I'm going to turn into a golden shower and a laxative. And you can also
2 for 1.
And you can puke from it.
Tiffany voguing down the ruins. Man, that's what people want to see. Right, America? We lost 2. Just because this is a song that doesn't end, and it goes on and on, my friend. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because it's that was almost fatal.
We are here to use the laundry facilities and the pool.
Because Bruce's friend lives here. Bruce's friend was nice enough to invite us to let us do our laundry here.
It's a mistake.
Wait till you see it all.
We were trying to. We didn't realize how far we had walked, so we're like, oh, we get to hide again.
Oh yeah, they're back down where you were.
Oh really?
I'm Sam, by the way. Hello.
Hi.
Tiffany.
Tiffany and
Alice.
And Katie.
hi, nice to meet you.
And where are you from?
South London.
South London. And Bruce is giving our friend here an English lesson, which I find
A spelling lesson.
really funny. And his favorite show is
Below Deck.
it's weird. I like
Below
it.
Deck.
No.
I need to catch up on that show too.
No, actually, my favourite show is Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah.
Thrones.
Help.
Would you like a beer?
Okay.
Why not?
Well, good morning, world. We are doing some provisioning today, so what we're going to do first is inventory everything that's on the boat. So we've got a crew of 5, and we need to feed us for, say hi, Katie.
Hi.
So we're going in underneath all the beds and in the cabinets, and we're trying to find we're trying to figure out exactly what we have and what we're going to need and keep track of that. You guys have probably seen me do that in the past on my own boat, and we're going to do it here. So that is what is on tap for today. It's super hot in here. We should open the windows.
You don't want a sweat box?
No, so this was under my bed here. Will you, we need to figure out how much milk we have. Is there a lot of milk? We leave Rodney Bay Marina after 3 days here. It was beautiful. We loved it here in St. Lucia, but now it's time to press on and we're going to Marigot. I am always excited to get back to sailing for sure. So the wind's a little stiff. We just set up the second reef and I'm really excited to get out there. It should be a 2 to 3 hour sail all the way to Marigot from Rodney Bay in St. Lucia. Next week on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we go to Marigot Bay, which is a beautiful little spot right on the other side of St. Lucia. Thank you so much to my Sailing Miss Lone Star family on Patreon. If you'd like to support this journey and keep seeing these movies coming your way, please check us out on Patreon on the link below. Want to see The Whale of a Tale? Don't miss the uncut, uncensored version on Vimeo. We had a beautiful sail past the coastline of Martinique on our way to St. Lucia. One of my favorite things about sailing is sailing into the sunset or the sunrise. The bow is such a wonderful place for me to clear my head and think about life. And there goes Martinique. We're not stopping, we're headed straight to St. Lucia. Hey, fish! See a tuna! See a tuna! It's a baby something! There he is! That little guy! Perfect. Oh no! Bye! Bye! Oh, bye friends!
What are you making, Obs?
Sausage.
Her favorite thing to make.
Oh, the only time I've ever gotten sick underway, I was making sausage.
Sausage and onions?
Yeah.
That's yummy. We are passing by Martinique, and it's the largest island ever. Maybe it just feels like that because we're motoring.
How you doing, girls? Good. How many more hours do we have left? 7? No. We don't have 7 hours left. How many more hours do we have left? 5.
5 hours.
5. How does that make you feel? We can do that. We can do 5 more hours. Better than 3. The wind kept changing as we passed the island of Martinique, which meant that we had to continuously trim the sails.
With only 45 nautical miles left to go to St. Lucia, we were well on our way.
If I'm not mistaken, heaven is the other way. Away we go!
We are in St. Lucia, we have landed, and we are at the dock, and we are now cooking dinner. Yeah. Ooh, chicken. We made some new friends, and we're about to eat, and then I think we're gonna go to the local establishments.
The helm of the dinghy clips the red ignition cord around his or her wrist.
I would like him to announce when we're going to die.
Sunrise tomorrow, 06:32.
So we are in Rodney Bay this morning, and we are headed to get the